How to send voice notes on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can send voice notes or voice message on Instagram. For this, you want to open the Instagram application on your device. If you don't have this application, simply head over to Play Store or App Store in order to download and install this. Once you have opened the application, make sure to sign into your account. Now, if you don't want to text someone and you simply want to send a voice message or a voice note, then simply tap on the message icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now, all of your conversations will be displayed over here. All you want to do now is open up any conversation where you want to send the voice note. Now, you want to tap and hold on the microphone icon at the bottom of your screen. Now you can start recording your voice message or voice note. Once you are done with the recording, simply release it, and as you can see, the voice note or voice message will be sent successfully. If you want to delete this, then all you have to do is tap and hold on this. Now tap on the unsend option and the voice note will be unsent. You can now again record another voice message by simply tapping and holding on the microphone icon, and in this way you can very easily send voice notes on Instagram. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.